Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. Welcome to project number 46. If this is your first time here, I do project videos every week using a Glowforge laser engraver. And if you like those type of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of my new uploads. In this project, we're gonna make a Christmas ornament. Matter of fact, we're gonna make a snowman Christmas ornament. We're gonna make this ornament because my mom loves this time of the year. She loves watching Frosty the Snowman. So I'm gonna make this snowman ornament for her. But what I'm gonna do with this ornament, when my mom puts up her tree, I'm gonna sneak over there and I'm gonna put this ornament on the tree. And I just wanna see how long it's gonna take her before she realizes where this ornament actually came from. And in my future video, I will let y'all know exactly her reaction when she found out that the ornament came from me. Okay, here's the snowman that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use 4 different color acrylics. As you can see, I'm gonna use black, white, red, and orange. This is just a snowman that I got off a website called Clean PNG. So this is what I want the snowman to look like at the end, that I then broke up all of the pieces. Here's the hat, here is the eyes, there's the mouth, there's are the 2 buttons, and this is the scarf, and this is the nose. Okay, so I was peeling off all of the paper, and then when I got to the back, I realized how blank it is. So I decided that I'm gonna put a nice little message on the back here, so when my mom finds the snowman, she gonna see the little message on the back and know where it came from and all of that. Okay, I forgot to mention, I'm not really worried about my mom seeing this video before she sees the snowman on her tree, because my mom don't be on YouTube like that, so I ain't worried about that. She only see this video if like I send it to her, my daughter sends it to her, something like that. And I have already told my daughter do not send her this video or anything like that. So let's put a nice little message on the back of it. There it is. There go Mr. Snowman. He ready to go live on the tree forever. You see it, nice scarf. And the best part about it is that back engraved. I'm glad I came up with that idea. No, it was last minute, but I came up with the idea at the last minute. Sometimes it just works like that. I really like how it turned out. My mom's, I know she's gonna love it. And I will let y'all know her reaction when she discovers it on her tree this year. There you have it, Frosty the Snowman. If you like this video, go on and hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next project.